Greetings, fellow traders. Bowman here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, January the 19th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are at the market here today. So SPX up 30 points, still green on the monthly chart over the upper Bollinger Band here. Double inside week so far, so a little bit of choppy price action there, right? We're not really seeing any major breakout moves. We did see some interesting price action today. Again, our bullish wave count is still kind of hanging in here. We're back over the 80 MA and back in the channel. That's what we were hoping for going into today. So the only thing that would have made it a little bit nicer is a little more volume, right? But that wouldn't have been so choppy, right? If we had some more volume, very likely. So anyway, so S&P futures again. Part of our game plan today going in today was the gap fill here. So that was getting into the RTH highs, which we'll take a look at right here, which is this, right? We got a lower low here off of our signal zone for a huge bounce. We were looking for a late day run, which we got in the afternoon. I mean, so an afternoon run. So a nice move right here again. See how the space here between our signal zones, that's your level to cross right there, your geometric level. Nice entry on that on the futures. And then we got kind of choppy at those areas right here, kind of drifting down a little bit after hours. So let's see what the futures have in store for tonight. We'll update it again on the live stream later. But right now we got basically that geometric line that we're looking at. We're going to see how it handles a couple of these levels. Oh, no, it's a big area right here. This rally-based rally. So let's see how it goes going into tonight. Let's take a look at the Qs. Again, huge dip by this one. It did give us a couple short opportunities here today, but again, that big lower shadow here kind of makes you like, somebody's buying the dip in that area, and they did, right? And so there's a big push there on the Qs here today. Let's take a look at the IWM. Again, this small caps again, they were up, gapping up this morning. You know, some nice yelling comments about more stimulus and all that stuff. So we ended up back in the 15-orb range. So I guess a lot of the same old type stuff. So we've got that going on there. Let's take a look at the XLF. Again, this was down here this morning, gave us some good short opportunities on some of the banks, but they just kind of came right in there, right? Double inside 5 and pushed its way back up here to get back into the 15-orb range today. So some nice stuff there. Apple, again, this also gave us a good short at the open here today. Again, beautiful move right here. Nice 15-orb breakdown for a nice push to the downside and hit the after hours levels, which is basically our target. We consolidated higher low and then worked its way back up into 15-orb range. So let's see if it turns into a bull flag into the into tomorrow's session. So definitely something to keep on the radar. And of course, Tesla. So Tesla gave a nice geometric breakout right here with increasing volume, right? So a quick 10 minutes of profit right there off of that 5-minute candle for a good move right there, and then just kind of chopped around for the rest of the day. A couple of the ones that are kind of interesting to keep on the radar. So GM, lots of call activity on this one. Thing's been just kind of ripping its way up here recently, right? So a big move on GM, right? So fresh highs on this one, big hammer. Again, could be hanging out up there, just kind of see how it goes. But again, definitely want to keep it on the radar. Another one that had some impressive strength today was Facebook. We put this in the bubble report this morning. It was gapping up, and I just liked how it was gapping this morning, right? Because we kind of have a final candle was a red candle right here. Then we gapped above it, right? So squeeze out some of those shorts. It did push down, but that consolidation here got really tight, right? Nice triangle breakout back over the 80 MA on the 15-minute chart here, and just rode that up all day. So a very nice move on that one. Another one that we're keeping an eye on the radar going into tomorrow is XPEV. So electric vehicle name, again, kind of had this 1, 2, 3 pullback right here, and then a nice push up, right? So it's kind of like you're following threes method, right, or the rising threes. So anyway, so we'll see how that goes going into tomorrow. Zoom is another one to keep on the radar too. I like how tight it got today. I like the inside day. I'd like to see it push above the 50-day moving average for a strong move going into tomorrow. Another one too, another big name with relative strength today was Microsoft. So see how that holds going in tomorrow. Again, a decent candle off of this one. So interesting, kind of a key reversal candle. So see how that goes too. Bearish radar going in tomorrow. Lulu, again, had trouble holding up today, just kind of drifting out of the 15 cloud, or the daily cloud here below the 80 MA. And FedEx, also another one to keep on the bearish radar here, back below the 80 MA again. So let's see how that holds going into tomorrow. So anyway, guys, good stuff. Hope you guys found that helpful. We'll see you guys in the market on the free live stream later at 7:30. Till then, stay healthy out there and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.